Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate sales target achievement in Excel. So here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to calculate first target achievement percentage. First select a sale, USD is equal to select the actual sales divided by sales target. Press the enter and here you can see the percentage here calculated. Select a sale, double click on this corner point and here you see. After that, go to the Home tab. In number group, here the percentage sign, just click on it and you can see now your target achievement in percentage you are showing. Next here, I'm going to calculate the status of target achievement. So select the cell is equal to type here if function. Then in bracket, select the C2 actual cell, use the greater than sign is equal to, then select here the sales target B2, then comma in double quote, type here target achieved. Then press the window key plus dot to open the emoji dialog box. And here in emoji, I select the checkbox. I select the white heavy tick checkbox. I just close these. And after that, again, I use the double quote, comma, double quote, and type here target pending. Then again, I press the window key plus dot to open the emoji. Then here I use the cross sign and I close this emoji dialog box. Now I use here the double quote and bracket closed and enter. Now I just increase the size of column and after that select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you see status of target achieved or target pending. So that's it. The next here I'm going to calculate remaining target. So select the cell is equal to type here max function and select the first sales target, then minus actual sale, comma, 0, bracket closed and enter. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you see the remaining target. Here target spending showing the 20,000 same as in target pending status 20,000 here the remaining target showing. And in target achieve status, you can see the 0 remaining target showing. Okay, so this is a way you can calculate sales target achievement in Excel. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.